Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking compatibility. Open About This Mac and note model and Mac OS requirements so you avoid unsupported installs. Once done, make a full backup with Time Machine or a cloned drive. This protects data if you need to reformat. Next, free sufficient space. Installers often need several GB plus scratch space, so clear files until you exceed the installer size. Finally, download the correct Mac OS installer from the App Store or build a bootable USB installer to force the requested version. You will create the bootable installer using Terminal's create_install_media command, specifying the exact installer app name so the tool targets the requested version. Once the USB is ready, reboot and hold Option to choose the installer drive. This bypasses startup security and lets you run the intended Mac OS. If the installer complains about disk format or firmware, open Disk Utility from Utilities. Erase the target drive as Apps or Mac OS extended journaled per version, and then proceed with Install to ensure a clean. You finish by following on-screen prompts and letting the installer complete. When finished, use Migration Assistant to restore your backup if needed. If the Mac refuses to boot the installer or installation fails, reset NVRAM and SMC because firmware state can block older installers. This often fixes boot detection. If problems persist, double-check that your model supports that Mac OS build and that firmware updates were applied. If unsupported, pick the closest supported version or contact Apple support for firmware guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.